When it comes to enhancing the beauty, functionality, and value of your Jacksonville Beach home, few upgrades offer as much potential as installing bay windows. With their expansive views, elegant design, and energy efficiency benefits, bay windows are a popular choice for coastal homes. If you're considering a home renovation or a new build, here's why bay windows should be at the top of your list. Unmatched scenic views. One of the most significant advantages of installing bay windows in Jacksonville Beach homes is the stunning panoramic views they offer. Located near the coast, Jacksonville Beach boasts some of the most beautiful waterfront vistas, from sunrises over the Atlantic Ocean to the serene landscapes of the Intracoastal Waterway. A bay window provides an expansive view that lets natural light flood into your living space, offering a sense of openness and a connection to the surrounding environment. Whether you're relaxing indoors or entertaining guests, you'll have an unobstructed view of the ocean or scenic coastal landscapes that is unmatched by standard windows. Increase in natural light. Bay windows extend outward from the structure of the house, allowing more natural light to pour into your living space. This additional light can make rooms feel brighter, more welcoming, and larger, giving a sense of airiness. The sun-soaked glow of natural light is especially valuable in coastal homes, where the light reflects off the sand and water, creating a soothing ambiance. The influx of daylight can also reduce your reliance on artificial lighting during the day, helping you save on energy costs while making your home feel more inviting. Enhanced curb appeal and aesthetic appeal. Bay windows are a statement piece that instantly enhances your home's curb appeal. Their distinctive, outward protruding design adds character and charm to the front of the house. Whether you're looking to achieve a traditional, contemporary, or even coastal cottage look, bay windows complement a variety of architectural styles. In Jacksonville Beach, where homes range from modern beachside estates to charming bungalows, bay windows can be customized to reflect your home's unique style, enhancing both the exterior and interior aesthetics. Not only do bay windows offer a stunning design element, but they also increase your home's visual appeal to potential buyers. If you ever decide to sell your home, the addition of bay windows can make it stand out from the competition and increase its resale value. Improved ventilation. In the coastal climate of Jacksonville Beach, fresh air is often in abundance, and bay windows can help you take full advantage of it. The design of bay windows typically features multiple opening sashes, allowing for improved ventilation and airflow. By opening the windows, you can enjoy a cross breeze, helping to keep your home cooler and more comfortable on warm, humid days. Whether you're relaxing in your living room or entertaining guests in a dining area, bay windows allow for a constant flow of fresh air, creating a pleasant and refreshing atmosphere inside your home. More usable space. Bay windows provide more than just an aesthetic upgrade, they also create functional living space. The extended, recessed area can be transformed into a cozy reading nook, a small sitting area, or even a space for indoor plants. The added depth and space make bay windows incredibly versatile and perfect for coastal homes that often feature open, airy interiors. In smaller homes, bay windows can help maximize space by offering an additional area to arrange furniture or enjoy the view. They can even serve as a great spot to relax and unwind while looking out over Jacksonville Beach's beautiful scenery. Energy efficiency. In addition to their aesthetic and functional advantages, bay windows can also contribute to better energy efficiency in your Jacksonville Beach home. Modern bay windows are constructed with energy-efficient materials that help insulate your home, keeping the temperature stable regardless of the season. The high-quality glass and frame materials used in bay windows help to minimize heat transfer, keeping your home cooler during the hot summer months and warmer in the winter. By reducing the need for artificial heating and cooling, you can lower your energy bills and reduce your environmental footprint. Long-term investment. Bay windows offer long-term value, making them an excellent investment for your Jacksonville Beach home. Not only do they provide immediate benefits such as enhancing your home's beauty and functionality, but they can also yield returns when it comes time to sell. Homes with bay windows are often seen as more desirable, meaning you could see a higher resale price compared to homes without them. Additionally, the added insulation benefits can lead to long-term savings on utility bills, making bay windows a smart choice for homeowners who want to enjoy both style and savings. Conclusion. From breathtaking views and improved natural light to increased ventilation and aesthetic appeal, bay windows offer a wide array of benefits for Jacksonville Beach homes. Whether you're renovating your current space or building a new home, bay windows can elevate your living experience and provide long-lasting value. Their timeless beauty, functionality, and energy efficiency make them an excellent addition to any coastal home, ensuring you can enjoy the very best of what Jacksonville Beach has to offer.